Johnson. Hitting third baseman number 16, Aromas Ramirez. And a cleanup second baseman number 28, Jeff Baker.